很忙啊。One, two, three. Okay.
看得到。
你看到什么东西？我看不到哎。
就是 share screen 啊，就这个画面。
黑黑的还是有写的那什么的？
黑黑的就是那个 Google Meet 里面这个界面而已。
哦，真不对了，那我再学。对啊，现在看到了吗？
看到了。
Weekend table, so our class will be on Monday and Tuesday. Good morning, Isa, Hija, Maria. So, do you have any problem with the pendant and pendant case so far? Any problem? Independent and
No problem.
dependent case. No problem. Also, today we will start to learn about the mutually exclusive. What is that actually? Okay. Let's say for the mutually exclusive, if we have dice, we will have number 1 until number 6, right? So if A, set A is 15 and even number, so the possible element for the set A will be 2, 4, and 6, right? However, B means the set of the element for the set B getting odd number. So what we can get is 1, 5, 1, 3, and 5. 你看到我写东，你看到我画东西吗？
看不到哎。
对不看，我看quick 这边 quick Google Meet go to okay, once again now. Right now we okay, hi Sylvia. So we have two case, another two case now, which is mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive. Okay, for the mutually exclusive, what that means is if we have a dice, no, and a dice have six faces, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So Rebecca can see my screen already. Am I writing right? Hello, Rebecca.
看到。
And those that you hear my voice. Okay, so if we have a set A, A is getting an even number, which the element of the set A will be 2, 4, and 6. Okay. Then B, set B is getting odd number. So getting odd number is we talk about on the dice, right? So we get 1, 3, and 5. So this is all the elements in the set A and set B. And when we represent the set of the A, B, and the universal set, okay, this one is universal, universal set. That means in this case, dalam case ini dunia kita die sahaja, die sahaja. Jadi we only have the number in between 1 until 6. So if we represent the set of A and B into this diagram, this is Venn diagram, Venn diagram. So here we put at universal sign. So set A is 2, 4, and 6. Okay, if all that is our element. So actually in the front here, we have to put a dot. A dot here means the element. Without the dot, means the number of the element. Bilangan elemen dalam set itu. You see, the set A and the set B do not have the common number, right? Am I right, Rebecca? Bahija, betul tak? Hello, Rebecca. Give me some response because you are the only one I can direct get the response. Hello, Rebecca.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, this one means okay. Okay, before that, before I write the probability. So if A union B, this is union, union means done and ataupun done. That means intersect. Sorry. No. Okay, like this. This is intersect. So it's intersect sign which is N ataupun done. Tapi di sini tidak ada intersect, don't have the common element. Jadi, this one is union. Union is all. Ataupun dalam bahasa Melayu is atau. So, that means the element in the set A is C 1, 3, and 5, right? And the set B is 2, 4, and 6. So you see all these elements are included in this universal set, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That means if the case is mutually exclusive, that means we don't have a common element. Tidak ada common element. However, okay, another example, okay, I use the green color. Okay. If non-mutually exclusive, let's say we have the set of universal, which have the element, the number 1 until 8, 1 until 8. And the set A is even number. What is the element in the set A? So we have to list down all the numbers here. So it will get 2, 4, 6, 8, right? Then set B is a factor of 8. So can you tell me what are the factor of 8? In between 1 until 8. What you? Tell me the factor for the 8. Can everybody write down your answer in the chat box? Factor of 8. Okay, very good, Rebecca. How about what you and those in the YouTube? What is your answer? So anybody here do not understand the meanings of factor? I think should be no lah, baru masuk. Itulah hilang apa yang sepatutnya belajar. Okay, tidak apa. So the factor of 8 is 1 times 8, 2 times 4. So no more. So we'll get 1, 2, 4, and 8. Okay. Now we try to look at set A and set B. Is there any common element? Maksudnya nombor yang sama. Kalau kita tengokkan, see, 2, and 8. Kan? Kalau itu adalah sama. So, A intersect B. We will have 2, 4, and 8. Kan? So, if we have the common set, common element, I mean. So, if we represent with the Venn diagram, so okay, in the front we have to make a dot. See? Okay, in the set A, we still have the number 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, right? However, the set B will be 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, I use the red color to draw the set A. Okay. Then the green color to draw the set B. So these are all the elements in the set B. So now I use the yellow color to draw the A intersect B. So it's this one. So you see the element is 2, 4, and 8. So how about the leftover number? Nombor yang tertinggal tadi. Kan kita with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And number 1 already, 2 already, 4, 6, and 8. Dan kita tinggal 3, 5, and 7. So 3, 5, and 7 kita akan tuliskan di luar di luar set A and B. So but still in the box of universal set, right? So that means if A union B, so this one, okay, that means it's include should be okay, element in A plus element in B minus minus with A intersect B. Why? Okay, I prove to you. Okay, if the set A element in the set A is 4, 6, 8, right? Okay, plus the element in the set B is 1, 2, 4, and 8. Okay, and minus with the A intersect B, we will get 2, 4, and 8, right? Okay, now I use the red color. Okay, minus, so minus this one with this one, 4, right? Yeah, so, and 8 and 8. So what's the number left here? Will be 1, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Am I correct? So how many elements here? 5 elements, right? Number of A union B is 5. Why 5? You see? Okay, now I use the purple color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Okay, that is what the meanings of mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive. So as a summary of the meaning, so if mutually exclusive, we do not have the common element, do not have the intersect. However, non-mutually exclusive, we have the intersect. Kita ada set elemen yang sama. Boleh faham? If you understand, reply me 7. If not, reply me 8. Hello. What you understand?
Understand.
Understand, good. Natasha, Hafiza, Ujai, Ayumi. Okay, good. So this one, I screenshot and send in the group to you. This is an example. So next one. Okay, let's have a look on this example. Okay, now the Venn diagram show the relationship between the universal set. Okay, this is universal set now. A, B, and C. Okay, A is the element of getting the number of multiples of 2. Okay, kalau kita tengokkan elemen intersect A, C2, 4, 6, 8, right? Why we draw? I say it's 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. So because the set A is in this circle, kan? Ini kan? So if I list down the element 2, 4, 6, 8, okay. If I want to represent it in writing now, otherwise no need also can. You can see very clearly in the Venn diagram. B is getting the multiples of 3. Kalau B, so B will be okay, this circle, right? Which we will get 3, 6, and 9. So, lepas itu C. C is multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 is 4 and 8, right? Okay, now a number is chosen at random from the universal set. Maksudnya satu nombor akan dipilih di sini. Okay, before that, how many number in the universal set? So kita tulis dulu lah, kita tengok. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we have 10, number 1 until 10 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right? So verify the addition rules. Syarat tambahan probability of each of the following combined event. Okay, sekejap. Okay, so now you see the A, obtaining the multiple of 2 or 3. Okay, that means untuk kita dapat multiple of 2, which one is event A? Kan? So now we want to find the probability. So P, we get the event of A. So now we write down set A, or. If or means union or intersect. What you? Or. Union or intersect. If union, then you reply me U. If intersect, reply me I. In the YouTube also the same. Natasha? Kalau O. Kalau O ialah union ke intersect? What you? Alicia? Still remember? Let me see the answer of what not remember. Aduhai. Now set. If this one is N, is intersect. Kalau U is O, that means union. Kalau U, ambil semua. Take everything. If N, that means you ada, I ada. Kau ada, saya ada, baru boleh dipilih. Kalau union, tak kisah, ambil saja semua orang. Tak kisah ada ke tidak, asalkan kena, ambil saja. Okay, boleh faham? Kalau boleh, reply me 5. If not, reply me 6. So Rebecca, actually you remember or not? Yes, okay, good. So now the case is all. All means you. Ambil semua. Ambil saja. And the multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 is set B. So kita tulis B di sini. That's means we now actually want to find the probability of A union. Don't write you like that. Don't write you like this. Have to you write like this. Okay. Okay. A union B. So now we find out the number of A union B. Okay. If set A union B, what are the elements? Okay. Kita tengok kalau A union B, maksudnya asalkan ada pada dalam A, ada dalam B, ambil semua. This means all the elements that I shaded. So apa dia? So maksudnya we get 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. Okay. So how many elements inside A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get 6. So how many altogether? Berapa jumlah semua sekali? Ada 10 elemen. Kan? 10 elemen. So if we want to find the A union B, so kan kita punya probability is number of A divided with number of S. So A can be anything. Sekarang A adalah A union B. So ini akan masuk sini, ini pun masuk sini. That's why we have to find the number of A union B. So A union B divided with number of total. So number of A union B is 6 over 10. Then you will simplify, we get 3 over 5. Okay. Understand or not? If yes, reply me 3. If not, reply me 4. Okay. Now, okay, we try to have a test. Kita menguji dulu. Kenapa? Sebab if mutually exclusive, so this means A union B ialah probability of A tambah probability of B. Macam yang ini. See, mutually exclusive. Union A union B ialah A tambah B. If not non-mutually exclusive, A tambah B tolak A intersect B. Okay. So kita nak cari case ini adalah mutually exclusive atau non mutually exclusive. Kalau non mutually exclusive, as long as we can prove or we get the answer of probability of A plus B minus A intersect B. Beza dua itu hanyalah ini. Kalau ini maksudnya dia ada intersect. Ini tak ada intersect. This one ada intersect. Maksudnya persilangan. So kita carilah. Okay. So in order to prove, kita cari. Okay. A union B. Kita cari dulu. A tambah B. Okay, tolak. A union A intersect B. Okay, kalau tidak, kita tengok mata kita lah. Okay, you tengok set A and set B. Ada persilangan ke tidak? Is there any intersect? You see, this is intersect, right? Betul tak? So actually, it's very clear that this is non-mutually exclusive. Can you get me or not? If you understand, reply me 1. If not, reply me 2. Wait for a while. I try to. Right. Okay. Those who are in the YouTube, you can see my face already. Sorry, allow me to drink water.那个你是属于哪里的？你谁给你的那个？ Okay. Now continue. So actually very clear this is non-mutually exclusive. So kita cuba tengok lah. Okay, the probability of A. So that means the number of the set A. You see, number element of the set A is 4. Number of the element in the set B is 3. So probability to get A is 4 over. Okay, I write the formula first. Number of A is plus. This is B. So this is S minus A intersect B. So like this. So number of A is 4 over total is 10. This one 10 element plus in the B we have 3 over 10 minus of intersect. Intersect how many? A intersect B is only number 6. So the number of A intersect B is 1. So this is minus 1 over 10. So 7 minus 1, 10. So we get 6 over 10. We get 3 over 5. So this answer is same as this one. So we prove that this is non-mutually exclusive. So everyone clear? If clear, reply me A. If not, reply me B. Now we try to do the question B lah, huh? So B, obtain probability that to obtaining the multiple of 3 or 4. So from here, multiple of 3, that means, okay, set B, or, okay, this all means union. So this one is multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 is set C. So this means we now are looking for probability of B union C. Okay, B union C. So now we try to, okay, hello. Okay. So we try to find the set for B union C. If union means everything, semua kita ambil, ambil semua, So, kalau saya padamkan yang ni, so what are the element in the set B? 369. 369. Element in the C is 4 and 8. So we take everything. 3, 4, 6, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 elements. The number of B union C is 5. So this means the probability of B union C will be number of B union C divided with number of total sum. So this is 5 over 10. So we get 1 over 2. So this one understand or not? If yes, reply me J. If not, reply me K. Because in the YouTube, tiada orang respon saya langsung Natasha, Hafiza, Ujai. Hello. Hey, why no response at all for those in the YouTube? But no response from you. In here. So please respond me. I ask you something like J and K. If you understand how we get the probability 1 over 2, so reply me J. If not, reply me K. Sorry?
已经给 respond 在那个 Telegram 那边了。
不是你，他们在 YouTube 那边的。YouTube 那边没有给 respond. Sekarang barulah Ujai bagi respon. Okay, so continue lah, So how do we prove that? Okay, before I prove lah, So you see the case of set B and C. So use use the red color as to circle up the set of C, and the blue color, yellow lah, to circle up of set B. Okay, from what I'm circle out, okay, can you tell me, is there any intersect in between it? Ada ke tidak dua set itu bersilang? What you? Intersect or not? What you?
哪一个？刚刚那边很吵。
我这边很吵啊。
我这边。
Okay. Also, I'm asking. Okay. B union C. So you see, set C, set B. Is there any intersect? These two set intersect or not? Ada persilangan ke tidak? Do they
A
share
和 B
any common element? What you? Lester? Do they share common element? Ada ke tidak elemen yang mereka kongsi bersama? Kalau test A tadi, you see this one. We have A intersect B, which is number 6. So we have the A intersect B, which is, we get number 6. The common element in between A and B. Only one, so we write the number of the element is 1. But now B union C. Now we look at the red circle and then the blue, yellow circle. Is there any element that they share together? How about you?
No.
No. So if no intersect, so this case is mutually or non-mutually. Very clear already, ba? So Rebecca, is mutually or non-mutually? Rebecca? Very good, Ayumi. Akhirnya ada, bukan. Ya. It's not mutually exclusive, sebab dia, tidak. Kan set C dengan B, dia tidak ada persilangan. If we do not have the intersect, dia ada persilangan. This means we are mutually exclusive. Faham tak, Ayumi? Okay, Ayumi? Rebecca? Okay, dia respond dah. Understand or not?
我前面那个 no intersect 这边我懂。
Okay. Once again, okay. First of all, you have to really clear, the meanings of intersect. Intersect is like this. So is sharing common elemen. Bermaksud elemen ini A ada, B pun ada. Oh, ini maksud intersect. Kalau ada intersect, that means this case is non-mutually exclusive. If we want to find A union B, we have to get A plus B minus A intersect B. Otherwise, ini akan jadi double. Okay, I show you one. Let's say lah, this one I minimize a little bit. How if we just find the A plus probability of B? Macam kita cari yang ini kan, but now we are looking for B and C, ya. B and C. Okay, the probability that we get B, the number of the element in the B is 3, 6, 9. So we have 3 over, altogether have 10 plus. Probability, the element in the set C, we have 2. How many altogether is 10? So this one we get 5 over 10. Oh, 5 over 10, you see? Now, this answer is same like this one, which that means probability of A union C is B plus C. Dia tidak ada tolak B intersect C. Why tidak ada? Sebab you see B intersect C adalah kosong, tidak ada elemen. You see, they do not have intersect, tidak ada intersect. So dia tidak perlulah tolak. Boleh faham? 会明白吗？这样 Rebecca？
明白明白。
If the case A, if you did not minus with this one, so you will get 7 over 10. 7 over 10 is not same like this one. Why? Because number 6. Okay, you see this one, A and B. See, this 6. We have 2 times, occur 2 times. Dia muncul 2 kali. Jadi you kena tolak lah. Itulah ditolak 1 kali di sini. Sebab setiap satu ni kira 1 saja. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See? 6 plus 10. Bawah sini, ya. So, if you really understand already, reply me 2. If not, reply me 5. Set of B intersect C is empty set, kosong. Jadi bilangannya adalah kosong. Itulah kita tak payah tolak sebab set dalam B 1, 2, 3. Set dalam C 1, 2. Semua sekali 5. Tidak ada elemen yang berulang. Itu sebab dia tidak tolak lah. So yang penting sekali is you have to remember mutually exclusive. We do not have the common element. Tidak ada elemen yang sama. Kalau it's non-mutually exclusive, kita ada yang sama. Soalan akan tanya, okay. Yep. Saya screenshot for you. one. Okay. So fair dice. Okay, now we talk about fair dice. Maksudnya tadu ini adalah idea. No question on tidak ada ini main tipu. Tidak ada. Find the probability that the die show an even number or see number of 3. So that means we have the two different kind of set. Let's say set A means even number. Even number of apa? Kita tahu ini adalah dice. So the dice have only 1 until 6. So this is universal set. 1 until 6. Then let's say set A is even number. So what are the elements for the set A? Will be 4 and 6. However, set B, okay, let's say the set B is get number 3. Number 3 satu saja kan? So 3, right? That means so the the number of element in the set A is 3. The number of element in the set B is 1. Okay, so far understand? If yes, reply me P. If not, reply me Q. The one in those in the YouTube, please answer me also. Hey, what you P or O? Yeah. Okay, so now we want to find the probability. Before that, we have to know the total number of the total number of the set element here is 6. Okay, good. Hafizah. Orang lain tak jawab ke? Masih ada ke tidak orang dalam YouTube? Ada, Okay, so next one. Okay, so we try to answer the probability of A union B. A union B. Okay, now can I ask from the element in the set A and also element in the set B, do they have common element? Ada ke tidak elemen yang sama? Please reply me. If yes, they have the common element, reply me why. If they do not have the common element, reply me N. No common. And have common element, why? No. Okay, very good. So if do not have the common element, that means it's mutually exclusive or non-mutually exclusive. If mutually exclusive, reply me S. Is non-mutually, reply me D. Very good. Those in the YouTube. S or D. Okay, thank you, Maria. Thank you, Hafizah. Yeah, linguistic. What you? Is mutually exclusive or non mutually exclusive? You say do not have, don't have the common element. If don't have the common element is mutually, because A union B is A plus B. If not mutually exclusive, A union B will be A plus B minus A intersect B. With this, this means we have intersect. Intersect means we have common element. Okay, so tapi case ini kamu kata do not have common element. Kalau tidak ada common element, that means this is mutually exclusive. Boleh faham semua? Now understand already? If yes, reply me 2. If not, reply me 3. Okay. So all these terms, you have to remember lah. So this means if we want to find A union B, and we know that this is mutually exclusive, so we only need to find probability of A plus probability of B, because we don't have the common element. So number of elements in the A divide NS plus NB, so and also S. The number of elements for the A will be 3. 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6. So we get 4 over 6, 2 over 3. That is the answer. Clear? If clear, reply me 8. If not, reply me 9. Okay. Okay. Can we represent, transform this question in the Venn diagram? Okay, if we do make it in the Venn diagram, it will be like okay. Okay, I draw the universal set. So now we only have 2 sets, and set A and set B do not have intersect. So I draw the A, and then another one is B. So I label this one A, this one B. So set B only have 3. On set A we have 2, 4, and 6. What are the number left? In the dice we have 6 number, 1 and 2, 6. So the other number is outside set A and set B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is universal set. Understand? If yes, reply me N. If not, reply me B. Okay, good. So now we try to look at question B. The second one, okay. The property that we get number 2, or let's say the number 2 we define it as C lah, So C is number 2. So the elements will be 2, right? So the number of the element in the set C is 1. Then a number greater than 2. So we define it as P. Number greater than 2. So, apa number greater than 2? Tell me the answer. Every one of you, tell me the answer.
3, 4, 5, 6.
What are the number greater than 2? Very good. And you know you have to stop after 6, huh? Because the dice only have 6 numbers. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, very good. So number of elements in the set B will have 4. Okay, now try to study. Okay, is there any number that is a common number? Do you have any common number here? Common element here? Yes or no? Very good, Maria. So since we don't have common element, so that means we don't have intercept. If don't have intercept, it means it's mutually exclusive. If mutually exclusive, A union B will be A plus B. But now it's not A and B, it's C and D. So C, okay, C are O, O is union D. So we get probability of C plus probability of D. So NC divide NS plus ND divide NS. So C have 1 element out of 6 plus D we have 4 elements out of 6. So we get 5/6. So understand? If yes, reply me G. If not, reply me H. Okay, very good. I think should be no problem already. It's quite clear. Okay, how if we want to represent it into the Venn diagram? Okay, this is a Venn diagram. Okay, universal set. Okay, we have number 1 until 6, but the set C, we have only 1 element. What? No. It's number 2. So another element, another set is set D. So we have 3, 4, 5, and 6. So one more number left. Itulah sebab if C union D, ambil semua kan. So kita sudah ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elemen. Tapi tadi ada 6 elemen. So another one is outside there. This is Venn diagram, right? So I screenshot for you. Okay, so this one. Okay, 2 more questions. We're almost finished for this chapter already. Okay. Example number 5. Okay, in a selection to represent the school in the mathematics quiz competition, the probability of Joanne and Lina is chose. Okay, 3 over, this is 2 over 3 lah, huh? This is 3 over 4. Okay. So, find the probability that only Joanne is chose to represent school for the competition. True. Yeah. YouTube itu yang saya pandai buat. Okay. Okay. Number 1. So join, only join ya. Ini saja lah. True. Yep. We try to draw out the Venn diagram now. Only one of the alright. Okay, if join we look at the join first. Join. Join, dipilih 2/3. That means join tak dipilih 1/3. Lina is 3/4. Lina tidak dipilih 1/4. Ini pun Lina dipilih, Lina tak dipilih 3/4. 1/4. Outcome maksudnya join dipilih, Lina dipilih. Ini join dipilih, Lina tak dipilih. This one is join tak dipilih, Lina dipilih, and this one is join tak dipilih, Lina pun tak dipilih. Okay, so far understand or not? If yes, reply me 2. If not, reply me 3. Okay, good. How about the other? What you? Meanwhile, what you? Okay, so in the YouTube. You understand? Vijay, Ayumi, Hafiza. Okay, so if this is the outcome, the first one both are chosen. This means we 2/3 times 3/4. Now we simplify is 1/2. Okay. If join dipilih, Lina tak dipilih, is 2/3 times 1/4. This means 1/6. Kalau join tak dipilih, Lina dipilih, 1/3 times 3/4. So it's 1/4. Join tak dipilih, Lina pun tak dipilih, is 1/12. Okay. Then you have to remember all this one Kalau ditambah mesti sama dengan 1. Okay, try 1/2 plus 1/6 plus 1/4 plus 1/12. Okay. So 1/2 plus 1/6 plus 1/4 plus 1/12. Nah, tengok dapat 1. No? Ini adalah wajib. Kalau tidak dapat sama dengan 1, maksudnya salah lah. Wait for a while. I try to get my charger to charge my device. Okay. So this one already done. Okay, now we try to answer the question. Okay, from here we will know only join is choose. Okay, kalau yang ini tepat salah sambung salin. Only join choose to represent the school. Okay, so mana satu? What is the answer? I think the answer is very clear already. Mana satu? Rebecca? What you? Ayumi, Hafiza? Okay, very good. No? 1/6. No? This one. Is it easy or not? What you? Easy or not? Yes, right? Okay, now we look at the question number 2. Question number 2, only one of them are chose to represent the school. Okay, means maybe Zoin dipilih, Lina tak dipilih. Or, right? Or is apa? Or is union, right? Ataupun join tak dipilih, Lina dipilih. Ataupun yang di sini I can write it like only join. Okay? Join but Lina not been chose. So ini sama dengan 1/6. So question B. What is the answer? Question number 2. Only one of them are chose.
1/2.
1/2? Okay. What you say is 1/2. How you get 1/2? Can you tell me? What you? How you get 1/2? What you? Rebecca? Have any idea?
1/24.
1/24. Okay. How you get this answer?
6 multiply 1/4.
Sorry?
1/6 multiply 1/4.
Multiply 1/4. Okay. When we do the multiply, when it's like this way. Now you take this number and this number, right? Am I right, Rebecca?
Yes.
If in this kind of number, this one you have to use plus. This means 1/6 plus 1/4. 4 plus 6/24. So 10/24. 5/12. Understand?
Stem.
Okay. So third. Okay, third one. At least one of them is chose to represent the school. Sekurang-kurangnya seorang dipilih. Apa yang dimasukkan sekurang-kurangnya seorang dipilih? Seorang dipilih ke tidak? Hanya seorang dipilih. Boleh ke tidak? Rebecca, accepted or not? Ujai, kalau seorang saya dipilih, apa maksud at least one? Sekurang-kurangnya seorang. Sekarang kita ada join. Ada Lina. Sekurang-kurangnya seorang dipilih. Maksudnya macam mana combination dia. Join dipilih. Lina tak dipilih. Boleh? Boleh tak? At least one. Boleh? What you? Can or not? Hello, what you?
Ya, tidak.
Can ah? Join dipilih. Lina tak dipilih. Boleh diterima. Join tak dipilih. Lina dipilih. Diterima tidak? Rebecca?
Okay.
Okay, also. Join tak dipilih. Lina pun tak dipilih. Boleh?
No, no.
Not. Okay. Join dipilih. Lina dipilih. Can? Sekurang-kurangnya seorang dipilih. Maksudnya dua orang kalau dipilih boleh tidak? Can?
Can.
Can. So you see, join, chose, been chose, Lina not been chose. This one. Lina not, join not been chose, Lina been chose ini. Dengan dua-dua dipilih ini. Right? So that's mean here lah. At least one of them being chose. Okay, so we get 1/2 time or plus. Got you? 1/6 and also 1/4. So this one has to multiply or add. Perlu didarab ataupun ditambah. Got you?
Tambah.
Tambah, bagus. Because I say this one have to be tambah. So 1/2 plus 1/6 plus 1/4. What is the answer? Got you?
Over 12.
Sorry?
11/12.
Yeah, 11/12. Or, okay, you see from this one, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 choice. And the one is 1, 2, 3. We only left this one is not right. So it's actually, we can also say the answer is 1 minus 1/12. So also the same answer. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, when we add it all together, we get 1. Since daripada you tambah 1, 2, 3, you boleh juga 1 minus 1/12. This one you will learn more in additional maths. When the form 5, you have to learn this one. Okay, so this is the answer. Clear or not? Yes, reply me H. If not, reply me G. Boleh semua? So, masa kita hampir sampai sudah. Okay, actually I have one more example lah. Never mind. That one we continue tomorrow. Now look, take out your exercise, your workbook, in the page. Oh, lupa saya tanya, ada masalah ke tidak? Tak apalah, esok lah. So this one is mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive. So maybe you try to do question until 75. That means from the 73 until 75. 73 until 75. Okay. So see you tomorrow. So please do your exercise and tomorrow we discuss the answer. 73 until 75. See you. Bye bye, guys.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye, sir.
Thank you.